Hi Year 12s, going to do a video on how to find the mean, median and mode and a few other things of your grouped data, which is basically using a frequency table to figure that out. Okay, so what I've done just for ease sake is use this data here, so the number of people and the frequency. So I think this is the amount of people in a car at an intersection. Not that it matters, it sort of works for any set of data. All right. So all I've done here is just input my data to my calculator, as you can see. Now our first step, if you've watched my other video, the first step is very similar. So we make sure that we've got our data input, we've got our number of people, so our sort of values that sort of go up in regular order in our list 1. And then we've also got our the frequency in list 2. Now that's important. Just make sure you have your frequency in list 2 if you're going to do it this way. So from there we go to calculation. All right. And then as always we make sure that we've got everything set up right. So we go F6 set. Now we can see already that we don't have anything for list 1 in our 1 variable, so we need to change that. What we want here is for our list 1 to be our X list. Okay, so we'll change that to list 1. The main thing is to make sure that you have list 1 as this first option here and your frequency as list 2. All right. Now you can actually do this the other way around. If you've input your frequency in your list 1 and your number of people or whatever it is in list 2, you can swap these around. It's just easier because most of the time your frequency is in your second column. So hopefully that's not going to be an issue for anyone. But once we've got it set up like that, remember we're only worrying about these first 2. The rest of these won't matter. Okay, we can go back and then, as we've done previously, click on our 1 variable and we will get our data. Okay, so from there we see our mean is 2.3. We see our population standard deviation and our sample standard deviation here, and here is our 5-number summary. All right, not as important with frequency tables as it is with other data, but median is definitely important for that sort of stuff, and that's the main value we're looking for here. Okay, that's all I need to do for this one. If there's any questions about those frequency tables, please let me know. But yeah, other than that, thanks very much.